Hi everyone, it's Cindy. Initially, I wanted to do the assignment on something that was related to FMLA or unemployment because I find those topics to be interesting. But I ended up choosing something else for the assignment, and here is my presentation on it. In 2015, fetal deaths among Flint, Michigan women increased by 58%. The issue is the change in Flint's water supply. In 2014, the city of Flint changed its drinking water supply to the Flint River, but the Flint River had an old water system, so residents were then exposed to heavily lead contaminated water. And there you see some photos of the condition of the water that residents were being exposed to. I found a PBS article that I want to use as one of my references, and the PBS article mentions that exposure to the contaminated water that you see on the screen has increased the number of fetal deaths, and it's also lowered fertility in Flint women. I want to use a peer-reviewed article that I found as my second reference. The article is from the National Library of Medicine, and I want to use it because it talks about what happened in 2014, but it also mentions what happened during the following years, including 2018, which is pretty recent. I also wanted to mention a third reference because I think it's a really good one. I found a fetal metrics analysis that came from the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services. It has a lot of data that I think would be really useful for the assignment, so I definitely want to use that as another reference. Well, that concludes my presentation. Thank you so much for watching.